Hey loves, in today's video I will be doing a fall reset, just changing a few things. I'm going to go to Target and see what they have, and also Marshall's, get my nails done. And if you're interested in seeing me reset and find a little cozy corner in my home to just like sit, because I literally don't sit anywhere in my home, I just go sit in my bed because I kind of still need a dining table because the one I want is super expensive. But and I don't like to buy like temporary furniture. I'm rambling. Again, today's video is going to be about a fall reset. So if you're interested, stay tuned to the end. It gets good. It's going to be more visual. And I will be putting up a video of this cute dolly ponytail that girls with 4C hair can wear. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video.
Dreams without goals are just dreams.
Come on.
And ultimately, they fuel disappointment.
Exactly.
On the road to achieving your dreams, you must apply discipline, but more importantly, consistency. Because without commitment, you'll never start. But without consistency, you'll never finish.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia and making the most of the most of a Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia.
They kind of got bent up. Oh God, and it makes a mess. Oh God. And this is from Cuisine Art. So yeah, I got these. And then I got these little cutlery. Oh God. These little cutlery knives for like a platter board. Can y'all see that? And it actually matches this. Oh my God. You already know. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Okay. Okay, let me go over here to try to see. Huh? What do you mean how the plastic I've been acting brand new? Okay, and so I got This is a candle. This is a candle, and I think it's so pretty. It was only $12. Yeah, I gotta go to the Marshalls. That's real pretty. Can you see that? Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, it's so pretty, and it's a sand fog, but it's white vanilla. Oh my god, it smells so good too, and I like it because it have all like the marble, the faux marble sketching, and then I got this pumpkin because I'm gonna put him up here somewhere. Bring me out of plastic. I've been acting random. When I move into my dream kitchen, I'm still gonna use it now, but when I move into my dream kitchen, look. Marble serving board. Now I really got this for my dish soap, but now that it say serving board, and put some of this stuff back. Mark, like, why would I put my dish soap on it? Do y'all see that? Hold up, my man's lunch. I did go get my nails done though. Right? Oh my god, it's so pretty. So now what I do with all this stuff, because I don't know how to like arrange it. I got these from Target. It's a vase filler, so we're gonna find a vase or something to put it in. But everything just goes so well together, right? Everything looks so good, so now we gotta figure out what is what and what is what and what goes where.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia and making the most of the most of a Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia.
because I over.
30 seconds.
Oh, let's let her finish because she just keep going and going. Can you see it? He straightened it out because it was kind of bent, but it collapsed. He has to fix it again. Yes, he has to fix it back. This one failed too because I had to put more clothes. I swear to God, that's lopsided. I told him it was lopsided. But whatever. He has to fix this one back too. This one is holding strong. And I'm not going to over stuff it. The reason why it failed is because I have so much clothes. No, let me stop. I don't have so much clothes because I definitely got rid of a lot of clothes. But the rest of my clothes were in the hallway. And the holidays are coming and I wanted to clear it out. I want that hallway to be clearing free. I'm thinking about getting like a bench and a portrait to put out there. I really want to put a portrait of my mom, but I don't know yet what I'm going to do. So that's why I had to take all my clothes and put them in here. And that's why I said I was going to move this whole area and put another rod here. And I'm probably going to have to do that because as much as I don't want to do that, I'm going to have to, because unless he really secures this really well, you know, then I won't have to. Maybe I can just get everything here, but I just don't want to overdo it. So I'm going to put the camera up and I'm going to put some clothes up right now.
Maybe you're in Australia, maybe even on the coast, disguised in regalia and making the most of